video 2 of building a smart mirror out of trash. Last time we acquired an old tablet, made it faster, and got the mic, sound and keyboard to work with solo. So my footage was corrupted, but at this point in time, I had the mirror glass, it's two-sided so you can see through it. So to prevent that, put a piece of cardboard at the back of the mirror, cut a hole in the cardboard for the tablet, glue the mirror and cardboard together, put the tablet, attached to car magnets I had laying around, and voila, you got a fully functional smart mirror. This fucking thing fell because the magnet disconnected. I think I've redesigned this. Fuck. Yeah, so at this point, well, everything's gone to shit. My mirror's bent, edges broke, and I dented the wall. So back to the drawing board. So, to hide the cracks, I'm gonna make a two-part frame and squeeze the mirror in between, using the bend as much as possible, making a delicious mirror sandwich. There's more to design, but that shit is boring. So let's get rumble. So here's my behind the scenes, and here's me measuring the wood to make sure it fits the mirror. Cut a few pieces, and voila. Got these cut, and it's looking kinda better, eh? Problem is that there's a gap between the frames, which is kinda sucks, but it's expected since I cut them by hand. But I feel if I fill them up with small pieces of wood and glue, it will work. Fuck. Yeah, I broke the drill bit, and it's not even mine. Hey, look off frame. Going to cut it. Yay. Fuck you. Screws are recycled from another project, but I think it's the stupidest idea I could have come up with. This challenge is kind of stupid, but also works. Now, speaking of stupid things, we're gonna cut it on the mirror. Also, one of the screw already got fucked up. You wonder why it's recycled. Cutty time, cutty. Shut up, I'm recording. Cutty time, cutty time. Cutty time, cutty time. New angle, huh? Before I stick the wood parts, I'm gonna make a new hole for the tablet. Since I did test it with the smaller tablet, I need to make a bigger hole. This is stupid. Behind this is a mirror glass. If I fuck up, I fuck it. What I'm doing should not be done at home, nowhere. This was work for me, doesn't mean it will work for you. These are kind of fucked and not all the colors work. So, we're gonna see if we can make them work. They don't stick to anything and they are bent and half of it just snapped off. So, here's how it looks. Here's it in the light and here's it in the dark. Kinda cool, right? Now, all that's left is remove the gaps in between the wood and paint it. Oh, and software. So here's me using pieces of wood I found on the floor with almost dry glue, making a mixture to fill up the gaps. And software time! It's been 2 weeks debugging this fucking code. I'm fucking sick, and now I have to make it efficient. Fuck that. Yeah, I got this to work. I made it efficient. But before, here's me painting it. Damn, boy. Damn, boy. That's a thick ass. It's a thick ass. Yeah. So before I cut to the Halloween part, here's the final reveal. I became the magic mirror from Shrek for Halloween. And I went to a haunted shelter. Challenge 1. Dressing up and walking. Alright, hold up. Walking is simple for you, but I can't see shit through this mask. Especially in low light. So my friend had to drag me 3/4 of the way and make sure I don't hit anything. Which I did. Challenge 2. Survive the haunted shelter. Paid €5 cash for charity. Let's go. Took a selfie. Forgot the flash. Took another selfie. And the haunted shelter begins. Now it's in Maltese. I will try to caption as much as I can. But bear with me, there's a lot going on and I need to get this edit in less than a day. It's been a lot of hours editing, so give me peace. Oh yeah, and at times we're using a night vision camera because it's too fucking dark. Hence why there's this green blocks of shit stuff, blue stuff.
It's Bal. Okay, babe.
What the fuck is happening? I can't see shit, man. I don't know why the audio of this footage cut, but we took candies, turned on the night vision, and we ran to hell. That's why my eyes look kind of electrocuted. So yeah, we went out and had to go to a small tiny gap in the wall. Challenge 2, successful. Challenge 3, trick or treat. Step 1, meet your competition. Be friends with your competition.
Yes, sure.
Step 3, action.
So, we're at the second place. Yes, we had to reverse and now I turned it on.
My goal is to get candy.
We are gonna go trick or treat. This is fucking funny. Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I know we took an L, but I'm confident, like, we can do this. I'm sure we can get someone to give us candy. There's a little bit of time left, so yeah. Don't mind me. Just walking here.
Trick or treat.
Please open the door. Please open the door. Please open the door. Come on, at least one trick or treat that opens. Come on. Please.
Trick or treat.
ما بقاش حلو مش سردين.
نسألكم مستوصيين.
لا سردين.
They said no. At this point, well, I was gonna give up. Maybe all those months planning, building, were actually for nothing. I felt defeated, and as I walked in the Halloween of shame, I met Robert and his friends. They gave us candy, which was very sweet.
Thank you. Brava, sharing l-oħra. Hudu inti pupa. Tatijak. Le. Ara. Thank you.
ما شكوش لك اللي تنخرس يولم
Last but not least, they gave us an epic photo shoot.
Kolla xu, from Shrek, jimbella himmela, man.
1, 2.
Challenge 3 might not have been completed, but at least I've met my new friend, Robert.